What's Sludgeon Skunters? This is Slimecicle Minecraft, and this is me with my iPad, and I'm going to be drawing Slimecicle as good as I possibly can. So we're gonna start things off by sketching in the pose for the slime master himself. The pose idea for today is of course a dapping him up, just like how you should dap up the subscribe button. Now I'm sketching in the features of Slimecicle, making sure he's as gluten as possible. We're right into the line art, and my goal is to make this line art as clean as possible. Maybe. Finally, we get into the colouring and rendering. I really love the colour matches with the Gluten King, so whenever I draw Slimecicle, it's one of my favourite parts, colouring and shading him. So that's the drawing, guys. We've all realised how amazing it is to draw the slime mass out of this creature. But before you go, make sure you check out this video, because if you don't, you shouldn't look behind you. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.